Welcome to our series on mastering n8n. In this episode, we'll explore what n8n is and why you should consider using it for automation. Let's dive into the setup process. We'll go through installation and configuration basics to get you started with n8n. Understanding the n8n interface is crucial. We'll break down nodes, workflows, and triggers to familiarize you with the platform. It's time to create your first workflow. Follow along as we provide a step-by-step guide to build something impactful. In this section, we'll explore how to connect different services using their APIs with n8n. Let's level up. We'll discuss advanced workflow techniques like conditional logic and data manipulation. Debugging is essential in automation. We'll cover error handling and how to troubleshoot common issues you may encounter in n8n. Now let's go over some best practices in automation that will help you design efficient workflows in n8n. We'll take a look at real-world cases where n8n has transformed workflows through automation. Congratulations on taking the first step towards mastering n8n. Join us in the next videos to continue your automation journey.